Google Cloud has been predicting that by the year 2025, 4 out of 5 enterprise developers, so people that are, not just indie developers developing on their own, but they're in a large
Working at a
corporate
Home
context.
Depot, a Nike, or something.
Wherever, right?
Yeah.
That they're going to be using some form of what we're calling curated open source. Now, that was a new term to me until pretty recently, and that's because Eric Brewer inside of Google Cloud likes to say that he just made it up. But again, aren't all terms made up, so here we are again with that. But basically, curated open source is the idea that we love open source, we love building, portably, and we love having access to that. But at the same time, look at Log4Shell and other things that happen. We've got these software supply chain dependencies that we need to make sure we secure.
Right.
And so it's probably a good idea to have some sort of intermediary layer where these packages are vetted and we're sure that the open source that we're installing is actually the open source that we think we're installing.
We need
right?
security, even if it's in an open source product.
Yeah, we need that security. We need to make sure not only that we're installing the package we think we're installing, but that we can see the provenance for that, see where it came from. And so Google is doing this with something called Assured OSS. There's a bunch of packages in that repository now. It's like 250 plus Python and Java and other things like that. They'll continue to add to that over time. And there's other partners and people in the ecosystem that are doing that. But the prediction is wherever you get your open source from, you're going to get it from somewhere that's got some layers of dependability and assurance baked into it.